Hello guys, welcome to our channel Reviewing Indian. So today we are going to do a different type of unboxing. You guys are aware of Java motorcycle. This is the coffee table book of Java motorcycle. So this is written by Mr. Adil Dharukanawala, who is actually editor of Zigwheel's magazine as well. This is a book you should have if you are a Java lover, because this gives you an entire history of Java right from the beginning in Czech and also coming to India in 1960s and what happened after that, and also rebirth of Java brand as we know, which happened in 2018 November. So let's remove the cover and see how the book looks. So guys, we have the book here. It is amazing looking and the quality is very high because it feels heavy and well printed, and the pages have certain thickness. It looks pretty good. So it is a collector's item. If you are a Java lover or any motorcycle lover, you should have it. As I said, the price is at around 5,000 rupees, but you can now get in Amazon for around 3,999. So you guys should buy if you love Java. So let's open this book first. It's very thick binding. This is the black and white. Then there is the author's note. You can see that this is Adil and the Forever Bike Java. That's the title of the book. He who understands his past is able to understand his present and future. Awesome quote. So let's go again. This side we have this. Wow, I'm too excited. So this is the content. You have around 285 pages. It talks about motorcycles in independent India, then SD era, how it started. No, sorry, motorcycle in independent India, then the Bozeman Czech, the ideal years of Java. So many items. So I have to go through it before talking about it. And it has got so many pictures, about the history of Java, old Java, nice pictures, the factory, how it came to India. Look at it. Wow, the quality of printing is like amazing. And this is like, I've been wanting to buy this, but 5,000 rupees was a bit high. Not high actually for this book, but for me it was high. But I saw this price in Amazon that it had come down. I immediately bought it. So this is the book, guys. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to read it and I'm going to put a quick review on how the book it is. But again, I can say once more, repeat that this is a book. You must have it if you love Java motorcycle. See, look at this. How the Java 1956. Let me move it this side. It says Java 250 1956. The specs, the pictures here. Then Java 250 1972. SD Java model B. Wow, it's a treat. SD model B again 1974 1984. Wow, SD 350. So many details, so many pictures. Wow, I'm so excited to read it. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to bring it to you guys because I couldn't find any single video which was showing about this book. And thanks 100 times to Mr. Adil for bringing such a wonderful book. So let me read it, and thanks for watching. And if you like it, please leave your comment, like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.